Welcome back to another installment of Mullet You with Keith. How are you doing today? Today we're going to ask you, why are my dishes not drying when I'm done with the washer of the dishwasher? Well, a couple of reasons. Now, if you got a brand new dishwasher and you replaced a 10, 12, 15-year-old dishwasher, the biggest reason is these no longer heat dry your dishes. Okay, they don't do that anymore because that costs money. That is not energy efficient. The second reason is, do you have jet dry in your machine? Jet dry helps the water not stay on your dishes. You've got to make sure you have jet dry. Not all jet dry is the same. All manufacturers have their brands they prefer. Great, more power to them. Just experiment, find the one that works best for you. Another reason is a plate of solid versus a plastic container aren't going to dry the same. What I mean by that is, if you soak a plate in hot water, take it out, put it in the strainer, it's going to dry quicker than if a plate in cold water right next to it, okay? The heat in the plate from the hot water will actually allow the water to come off faster and actually dry quicker. Now, plastics do not hold heat, so therefore they cannot help self-dry, okay? So they're not going to work the way the dishwashers you grew up with do. So you're going to have to make sure that you use jet dry. You're going to have to make sure that your plates are stacked correctly. And second of all, or third of all, whatever you want to call it, if it's plastic, it's probably not going to dry. It's probably going to have water still on it. Nothing you can do about that, unfortunately, because like I said, the old units, you remember seeing that big metal bar around the bottom? That was a heater. And what it did is, once it stopped washing, it turned that on. And it basically heated the cavity to the water would then evaporate and go away. Most dishwashers will not do that anymore because, like I said earlier, that is costing you money by using electricity to heat that cavity up. So what it does is, with a combination of the jet dry and the combination of the water temperature, will allow your metals, your plates, your pans, all that stuff to dry, one via heat that's in the thing and with heat that's in the actual plates. But your plastics, no, those are never going to be dry. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot you can do that. If you use jet dry, it's going to help, but your plastics may be wet if you open the dishwasher 5-10 minutes after it's done. Unfortunately, that is the technology we live with, so sorry to hear that. Maybe you didn't want to hear that, but that's reality. So remember, jet dry. Now, somewhere on your little panel here, it's going to have a little flashy light. That's going to be your jet dry, okay, or your Insta Dry, or your Crystal Dry, or whatever the manufacturers call their dryer area. But I want to show you something real quick. You want to look in here. This is where your soap goes, okay? Everybody knows how to put soap in the dishwasher. You close it, you close the door, boom, it opens up automatically. What most people don't know is you have to add the jet dry. This little one here is your jet dry. This is where you put your jet dry, your Crystal Dry, your power dry, whatever the manufacturer says. You just put it in here and you close it, and it automatically dispenses in your rinse cycle. It's kind of like fabric softener for your dishes, okay? So, unfortunately, there is no walking in your washer and clothes washer or dishwasher, open it up, oh, you get that big of steam, everything's nice dry. That's probably not going to happen anymore because, like I said, waste electricity. But you can help it by making sure you have your jet dry and making sure you do everything you can, okay? Don't forget to submit to this channel and give us some great comments and come back for more good information. Have a good day.